Yes, Islam is very good religion. Yes, Islam in the life of Holy Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam is an exemplary life. Mr. Hitti, Philip the Hitti, is the best writer, well-known writer, writing a lot of books regarding Islam. So everybody is impressed, Mr. Hitti, Philip the Hitti, very good writer, very good historian, Mr. So-and-so, Mr. So-and-so, the Orientalist, very best writer. But you could ask this writer, they were talking about Islam so much, praising Islam so much. Ask them, why you have not embraced Islam if you praise so much? They are his master voice. They are working on the line which was given to them to poison Muslim faith and to brainwash the Muslims in the name of intellectualism. So they said that we cannot fight with the Muslims. Even the Muslims haven't got sophisticated weapon, but they fight with their iman. So what to do? Oh God, the best ammunition for the Muslim now is our pen. Literature. Literature. Put something in their literature. Put something in their literature. Put something, introduce new things. Praise them. Praise Holy Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam. Praise Allah Almighty. And praise the virtues of Islam, the beauty of Salat, the beauty of so and so on, and by the same time put something. So they say, oh, he is very lover of Islam, devoting for Islam, but not accepting Islam, writing for Islam. Conspiracy. Then what happened afterwards? He said, now the main problem is Ottoman Empire. The advancement is continued. Half of the Europe they are ruling. And the second number is Germany, France. And after France, naturally they will cross British Channel, then England. So what to do? They started movement. First in Arabia, in the heart of Muslim land. There they asked a gentleman, namely Lawrence, Colonel Lawrence. He called himself very proudly Lawrence of Arabia. He was speaking Arabic fluently, reciting Holy Quran very nicely, with Iqrat and Tajweed, best pronunciation. Lawrence of Arabia. If you see the history of the Lawrence of Arabia, you will find in his history what kind of act he was doing. He was in Jeddah, sometimes in Medina, sometimes in Jordan, sometimes in Damascus, sometimes in Iraq. And what he used to say? After delivering khutbah, he starts sermon in Arabic. And he was very popular, very good speaker, Mr. Lawrence. And he always telling them that I have embraced Islam. I am your brother. So brotherly, one thing I want to tell you. What? You are Arab. In Damascus, in Jordan, in Iraq, when he delivered lectures, he used to say, you are Arab. You are Arab. You have conquered Spain, Northern Africa, entire Arabian Peninsula. You have ruled this part of the world. And now you are ruled by Turkish. Oh, you see now, Then they think about, oh, yes, we were the ruler of this country. Yes, we are Arab. Yes, we were the ruler of the country. Now Turkish are ruling us. Oh, the headquarters is in Turkey. Yes, Turkish are our master. So without thinking that the gentleman who is speaking, he is Lawrence. He came especially from England to destroy our unity. If Turkish Muslim is ruling us, he is our brother. What's ruling? We are brother. If I am ruling the country, or a Muslim, another Muslim from Arabia is ruling the country, if a Muslim from Pakistan is ruling the country, if a Muslim from Turkey is ruling the country, what is the difference? We are Muslim. But he was creating actually the proudness of nationalism. Iraq for Iraqis, Syria for Syrian, making division even among the Arabs. See, Iraq is an Arab state. Arabic speaking. Syria Arabic speaking. Lebanon Arabic speaking. So he started making division among the Muslims and supplying arms. And the second stage was, this was the political. Purely political. These Turkish are ruling you. Where is your sword? वो तलवार तुम्हारी कहाँ है अरबो? तुमने तो सारी दुनिया फतह कर ली थी, अब तुर्की ने तुमको फतह कर लिया, ये क्या हो गया? अब बेवकूफ मुसलमान ये सोच रहा है, ओहो हाँ ये तो बात सच है. They don't think that we are Muslim brother. We are the ummah of Sayyidul Alameen Muhammadur Rasulullah sallallahu alaihi wasallam. So from here he has poisoned the thought of the Muslims, brainwashing through his lectures. You Arabs, you Iraqi, what rights Turkish have ruled you? You Syrians, Arabs, what rights Turkish has to rule you? You Palestinian, the Palestine Aj. Today we are crying for Palestine. This Palestine was a Muslim state ruled by our Muslim brothers from Turkey. And those who are fighting now, their father was actually fighting against the Muslim and Islam. They were killing Turkish Muslim brothers. And this is actually a curse of Allah. Allah Almighty, they refused that. They said that we will not accept the Turkish to rule us. So Allah Almighty said, all right, you don't accept Muslim to rule you, so we are sending Jews to rule you. Now the Jews are there. It's a curse of Allah on all the Muslims. The Lawrence of Arabia were playing part, very important role. And by the same time, the conspiracy was going on. Okay, yes, politically we can divide the structure of the Muslim state. We can demolish all this structure. But the main thing is that if they are united in the name of religion, then there is a possibility that they could get themselves united again. So make division, a political division and religious division, religiously dividing them. So they asked Muhammad ibn Abdul Wahhab in Arabia to act. For political purpose, they were using Lawrence of Arabia, and for religious purpose, they were using Abdul Wahhab from Najd. This Abdul Wahhab said, Ottoman Empire, Turkish, they are mushrik. Why mushrik? Because they have built and constructed the tomb of the Holy Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam. Because they believe in wasila, intercession. And there is no wasila. We don't accept wasila. Abdul Wahhab